Hello and welcome to English Uplift, the podcast. Today, I want to practice English for work with you. This episode is for your first day at work, your first week on a new team, or any moment when you need to introduce yourself in English. You don't need perfect English. You don't need fast English. You just need clear and calm English. Let's begin. When I introduce myself at work, I start with my name. I say, "Hi, my name is Tom." I say it slowly. I say it clearly. This is enough for the first moment. After that, I add one simple sentence. I just joined the marketing team. This tells people who I am and where I belong. I don't explain more than that at first. Sometimes I add another short sentence. This is my first week here. This sentence is very helpful. It explains why I may look nervous or quiet. It also sounds honest. If I want to sound positive, I add this. I'm happy to be here. This sentence shows a good attitude. People like hearing this. When people ask about my job, I keep it simple. I work on social media and content. That is enough for most situations. Simple English is professional English. If I want to explain a little more, I say this. I help plan posts and manage online campaigns. I don't use difficult words. I focus on clear meaning. Sometimes I also say this. I'm still learning. This is a very powerful sentence. It shows humility. It shows openness. It shows growth. I often combine my sentences like this. Hi, my name is Alex. I just joined the marketing team. I'm still learning, but I'm happy to be here. This introduction works in many situations. On my first day, I repeat my introduction many times. I say it in the morning. I say it near the coffee machine. I say it before meetings. Repetition builds confidence. Each time I repeat it, I feel calmer. My voice becomes more stable. My body relaxes. This is how confidence grows. Sometimes I talk about my background. I say, before this job, I worked at a small company for 3 years. I keep it short. I don't tell my whole story. Then I add this sentence. I learned a lot there, and I wanted to grow more. This connects my past to my present. At work, small talk is also important. Small talk builds connection. It doesn't need to be deep. I say things like this. I'm still getting used to the office, but I like the atmosphere here. This sounds friendly and natural. At lunch, I sometimes say this. I'm still exploring places around the office. This invites conversation. It feels relaxed and easy. When I join a meeting for the first time, I introduce myself again. I say, hello everyone, my name is Alex. I pause for a moment, then I continue. I recently joined the marketing team. Another short pause. I work on social media and content. I speak slowly and clearly. I don't try to impress anyone. I try to be clear. Clear English is strong English. After meetings, I often think about my English. I realize something important. I don't need perfect grammar. I just need to be understood. At work, English is a tool. It helps me connect with people. It helps me cooperate. It helps me grow. If I make a mistake, I don't stop. I continue speaking. Most people don't mind mistakes. They care about meaning. I practice this sentence again and again. Hi, my name is Alex, and I just joined the team. This sentence feels safe. This sentence feels strong. Then I add this. I work on social media and content. Clear, simple, professional. And I finish with this. I'm still learning, but I'm happy to be here. This sentence shows who I am. At the end of the day, I reflect quietly. Today, I showed up. I introduced myself. I tried my best. Learning English is part of my self-improvement. It is not about speed. It is about consistency. One sentence a day, one conversation at a time. This is enough. English is not about being perfect. English is about showing up. Showing up again tomorrow. Thank you for practicing English with me today. If this episode helped you, please like this video. Subscribe to English Uplift for more slow and practical English. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. And if you know someone who is starting a new job or learning English for work, please share this episode with them. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for learning with me. I'll see you on the next episode.